So we all know that Telegram have introduced a recent update in which if you want to log in your new account, you'll be asked to pay an SMS fee before you can be able to log in, and this feature have been rolled out to some countries, and then some other countries are not included. But unfortunately, Ghana have been included in this feature, so most of the people find it difficult to log in their Telegram accounts because of the SMS fee feature or issue. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can bypass that. So you should do your possible best to watch the video from the very beginning to the very end to get the full concept of how everything is going to go. So before we can make this work, we need a specific version of Telegram, an old version of Telegram, and it's not just any old Telegram version. There's a specific old version that needs to be downloaded and then installed before this can work. And I don't know how the iPhone users are going to do this, but I'm only going to be showing you how to do it on the Android devices. So first of all, I want you to open your browser. It can be any browser, and then you search for Telegram APK. Telegram version 11.9.1 APK download. And then add up to down to it. So this is the third-party app store we are going to be using to get the old version. If you try to use Play Store, it won't work. So let's search that, and then we click on the first result. So on the first result, you are going to scroll down and then look through all the version lists, and then go to the one that says 11.9.1, which is this one over here, and then click on it. And once you click on it, on the next page, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom, and then wait for this to load and click on download. But I'm already having the version on my phone already, so I'm not going to be downloading it again. Let me go back to my file manager and then show you. You can see over here I already have it. So once you are done with the download, you are going to click on it and then install it using your package manager or install manager. And then once the installation is done, go back and then open the Telegram app. So I've already logged in an account, but I'm going to go back and then add another account and then show you that this is actually working. So let me add my second account. So in the latest version, when you finish typing in your number and then you click on this forward button over here and select yes, it will immediately show you a page that you should make payment to cover SMS fee before you can be able to log in. But with this certain old Telegram version, it will take you straight to this page over here, in which if you link your Gmail to the account or your email to the account, they will send you the code to that specific email or Gmail. So I'm going to go to my Gmail and then get the code from there. So this is our code. Let's copy the code and then head back to Telegram and then paste that code over here, and then wait for the verification to be completed. So if you set a password to the account, make sure to type in that password And then once you are done with the password, click on the next button, and then this will automatically log you back into your account. So as you can see over here, I am back to my account without paying any SMS fee. So that is pretty much it for today's video. If you found it helpful, please do your possible best to subscribe to the channel, as we are on our way to 2,000 subscribers, and then also like the video. And then if you face any kind of issues while doing this process, don't hesitate to write it down in the comment section, as I will be doing my possible best to attend to each and every single one of you or of the comment to help you out with the issue. Have a nice day. Peace.